Hello everyone, welcome to Easy French once again. Well, you can see the topic of the video is l'heure, that means the time. So we are going to learn about how to tell time in French. Well, there are few points to remember. We can use 24-hour clock, which is a formal way which the French people use. But in India we use the 12-hour clock, which is a very familiar way. And for that we have to use AM, that is called du matin in French, and PM, which is called du soir. In French, the time always starts with il est, that is, it is, il est. Now, instead of saying 15 minutes, we can use a quarter, which is called quart in French, quart. Same way, instead of 30 minutes, we can use demi. But we always have to put et, that is called a, before quart and demi when we are writing. Okay, so here we start. Now to ask the time in French, that is what time is it? In French we ask quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? That means what time is it? 1 o'clock. And in French we call it il est une heure. Il est une heure. As you can see, we always start the time with il est. Now we are using une, une, because heure is considered as feminine. So il est une heure, that means it is 1 o'clock. For 2 o'clock, we have to say il est 2 heures. Il est 2 heures, it is 2 o'clock. Now to say 3 o'clock, it is simply il est 3 heures. Il est 3 heures, that means it is 3 o'clock. Now if you want to tell the minutes as well, that is 5 past 3, so we have to say il est 3 heures 5, that is, it is 5 past 3. Il est 3 heures 5. Now here you can see, after 5, to mention minutes, we are not writing anything. So this is the way we have to write. Now 10 past 4, and particularly to PM. As I mentioned, for PM we have to use du soir. So il est 4 heures 10 du soir. Il est 4 heures 10 du soir, that is, it is 4:10 PM. 5:15. Now one way of saying 5:15 is il est 5 heures 15. Il est 5 heures 15, because 15 is 15 minutes, so il est 5 heures 15. Now another way of saying the same time is, so instead of 15 minutes, we are using here is quart, which is a quarter. Il est 5 heures et quart. Il est 5 heures et quart, it is 5:15. Well, to tell the time, we have to know the numbers from 0 to 60. I have already uploaded 2 videos, that is, one video is from 0 to 20 and another video is from 21 to 50. You can see this video for your numbers. 6:20. Now it is il est 6 heures 20. Il est 6 heures 20. 7:30, and that is called il est 7 heures 30. Il est 7 heures 30, it is 7:30. Now we have another way of saying the same time, that is il est 7 heures et demi. Now demi here means half, so it is 7.5. We can say il est 7 heures et demi, it is 7:30, or it is 7.5. Now if you want to say AM particularly, so we have to use du matin. So if you want to say 9:40 AM, it is il est 9 heures 40 du matin. Il est 9h40 du matin. It is 9:40 a.m. 10:45, and that is il est 10h45. Il est 10h45. It is 10:45. 11 a.m. Again, here it's in a.m. So, il est 11h du matin. Il est 11h du matin. That is in the morning or a.m. Now, if it's 12 noon exactly, so we have to say it, il est midi. Il est midi. That is, it's 12 noon. And for 12 midnight exactly, it is il est minuit. Il est minuit. That means it's 12 midnight. Well, there are few more things to remember, and that is, and small h is placed to indicate hours. Minutes are always written after h. Now, for example, if you want to write 7:25 a.m., we can write like il est 7h05 du matin. Now, du matin is especially for a.m. Another example is 8:50 p.m. and that is il est 8h50 du soir. So you can see here du matin is for a.m. whereas du soir we use it for p.m. Also, a small h is placed after the hours. So this is one another way of writing the times. Well, that's all about this video. I hope you understand how to tell time in the French language. Now you can also comment on what topic do you need some more lessons. And I really thank to all my subscribers for their continuous support and love. And yes, if it's not subscribed, please do that. You can also click the like button if you really like our videos. And yes, if you press the bell button, you can get all the notifications of our upcoming videos. So till the next video, happy learning French. Thank you.